Hello guys, it's Coach Glina. So welcome to today's tutorial on the 5 productive tools every paint entrepreneur must use. Yes, very important. You understand? You don't need to work harder. You don't need to work harder. You need to work smarter. And that's what I tell my students. You understand? Now, every extra hour you are spending struggling is a system you haven't installed. You understand? So, this is Glina, where smart paint entrepreneur learn how to grow, earn, and dominate. If you're still drawing in tax, missing deadline, or losing money, you're not lazy. You are under equipped. So let's fix it today. So today we're going to be talking about the 5 productive method you need to use. You understand, as a paint entrepreneur. So now is the Notion, 2 is the Google Sheet, 3 is Canvas, 4 is WhatsApp Business, and the 5th is Google Calendar. I know most of us, we already have heard this app, you understand? So let's quickly explain the tool number 1, which is the Notion, you understand? This is your digital brain. Yes, the Notion is your digital brain, you understand? So you can use it to plan your paint production, marketing, and supply chain. You understand? So you have to use it to search boards for production, process, timeline, chemicals listing, and even customers order. You understand? And you use it also to reply any other memories. You understand? So the next on our list is the Google Sheet. You understand? So we all know what is Google Sheet. You understand? So my customers formula template. That is what I call it. You understand? This is where you track every pigment, solvent, and chemicals. So you can never run dry or go broke without warming your formulation. You understand? So you can use your Google Sheet to track all of that. You understand? And the next on the list, number 3, is the Canvas. Of course, we all know what Canvas. You understand? So you are a paint maker, but you also need your branding. You understand? So you use your Canvas to create high quality product flyers and social media posts. You understand? So your business looks as premium as your paint. So you need to know how to make use of Canvas. Is the basic, you understand, and it's going to help you a lot. And the 5th on our list is the WhatsApp Business. Sorry, the 4th, yeah, fourth on our list is the WhatsApp Business. Of course, we all know what a WhatsApp is. But so many of us, we are a paint manufacturer or we are into business, but we don't know how to make use of WhatsApp Business. You need a catalog, you understand, autoresponder, and quick repliers for leads. When we're talking about leads, we're talking about your customers are going to be sending you message into your WhatsApp in the business, you understand. So you need all this fixed in case you're not available. The autoresponder can quickly respond on behalf of you, so you can let your customers know that you're well organized brand. Do you understand? So every time a buyer messages you and you reply late, you're losing sales. It has happened to me a long time ago when a buyer reached out to me. I wanted to place order for my paint brand and I didn't reply. And the next thing when I came online, the person told me I've gotten the paint from somewhere else. So you need a WhatsApp Business. You understand? And the 5th, last but not the least, is the Google Calendar. Yes, you understand. So Google Calendar help you schedule your production days, client calls, delivery time, and most importantly, your rest business activities. If it's not on your calendar, you won't really remember what you're supposed to do at a given time. So I know a lot of us will say, I'm a small paint manufacturer. I don't really need the Google Calendar. You need Google Calendar to schedule the place that you want to reach out to like communicate with them, and of course do your marketing research. And just like what I teach my students in the CEO Paint Mystery Accelerator course, you understand the difference between a hustler and a CEO is that a CEO has all these 5 essential tools so they know how to program their system, and of course know how to reach out to the right people at the right time. They know when it's time for them to market. Okay, this week I'm going to market today. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to reach out to this people today. So this is why these 5 tools make you become a well-organized paint entrepreneur. So you don't need another hustle. You need a system. So these 5 tools which I've just taught you, you understand, it's going to help you triple your output and cut out stress. You understand? It will give you a full tool list in your business. You understand? So if you found this video useful, hit the link below, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel and drop your comment below. And also you can comment productivity. I'll send you a bonus tools most paint entrepreneur don't even know it exists. So thank you for joining me today, and bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.